In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to render a scene with a transparent background. So here I have a scene. It has a ground plane, a camera, a couple lights, and the main character. And I don't want the backgrounds, or if I was going to use this as a layer on top of something. So what I'm going to do is go over here to the render properties. Over here it says film, select transparent. And now you'll see the transparent background. Now all I have to do is go and render this. So I'm going to pick where I want it to be rendered. I'm going to render it to the desktop. Let's call this render. I'm going to accept. Now if I go over here and select render, render animation, it'll go ahead and render, and it should have a transparent background. So now if we check it out, you can see on the desktop it has a transparent background. And that is how to create a transparent background on your renders. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.